Hey, lovely people. Welcome to today's session. We have this beautiful question here. Simplify bracket open 5m plus 3n bracket close minus 2m minus n, which is also in a bracket or what we call parenthesis. So what we are going to do first is the answer A? Do you think it is B? Is it C? Or perhaps D? So let's find out. So let's just write this here, the solution, and rewrite our question, which is 5m plus 3n minus 2m minus n. So with these types of questions, we expand the bracket, or what is called the distributive property. So we are going to distribute. Let's rewrite this. 5m plus 3n remains unchanged, but with this place, the negative sign affects everything in the parentheses. So we get minus 2m. This negative makes this to become positive. That's integers. So we get plus n. Okay. Now from here, what do you think we are going to do? If you said grouping like terms, then you are right, because we are actually going to group like terms. So with grouping like terms, all you need to know is we look at this question. So let me change the pen. We can see there are some which have the same letters, which is called variables, attached to it, and that of this also has n attached to it. So we will deal with the m part first, and later on move to the n part. So we have 5m minus 2m. And mind you, when you are grouping, you carry along the sign the value has, like I've done. 5m minus 2m. If it was plus, we will maintain the plus. Then for this, we have plus 3n plus this n here. So finalizing it, what we are going to get is we have 5 minus 2, which we know our basic arithmetic as 3. Then we maintain one of the m. Then here we have 3n plus n. And in maths, we know 1 is in front here, but we don't write it. So what this basically means is 3 plus 1, which means 4n. So that's our answer. When we look through it, we can see it matches the answer they gave us in B. So that is the correct answer for this question. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like for more content. See you next time. Bye.